and I had the kids coloring. I had a child throwing crayons all over the place. I was just going to talk. That's all I was going to do.
Gotcha. Okay.
And I regret it. I would cry.
Incident physical contact between a daycare teacher and a 4-year-old child with special needs resulting in arrest. Location County Sheriff's jurisdiction, exact address not publicly disclosed. Date approximately May year not confirmed in footage. Investigating officer, Detective Christine Reng, Sheriff's Office.
Miss Alice?
Yes,
hi, Miss Alice. How are you?
Good. Hold on, wait a minute. Sorry.
No, it's no problem.
Okay,
hi, how are you?
Good.
I'm Detective.
Well, good, but
I know
yeah.
you've had a rough day.
Yes.
So I'm Detective Christine Reeling with the Sheriff's Office. Don't get alarmed. You know, we come out to a lot of things. Anytime someone makes an allegation, I come out. You know, I make contact with people. Basically, what I'm asking of you is if you'd be willing to conduct an interview with me.
Now I was on the way out, but I can, if you want me to do it now, or
if you don't mind.
No, that's fine.
Okay. The reason why I'm here today is I was notified by a daycare of this incident that happened in the classroom. From your words, can you explain to me what happened in that classroom?
We were getting ready for lunch, and I had the kids coloring. I had a child throwing crayons all over the place, hitting me, throwing crayons at me.
Okay.
I walked over, did not say anything, knelt down. Hands were, and I was getting ready to say, let's, put your crayons on the table. We're not gonna. Punched me in my stomach.
Okay.
And I was trying to scream. I was gonna up and over to another area so we can talk and wait for me. He wasn't throwing and getting upset. When I either tripped or what, but it looks fell or I threw.
Mistakes happen, right?
And that's what the camera sees. Cried. He didn't get hurt. There was nothing. That was an aide. She came back in. She got out of the room.
Okay.
That was it. That's all that happened. That was it.
Okay. So we're talking about the child. Were you made a?
I've been at the place. May 6th would have been my year. I've had all this time. I know he is. I was just trying to calm down, throwing stuff. We were at tables. That's all I was going to do.
Okay.
That was it.
Gets upset or anything like that? What's a typical way that you have to calm down?
I don't always do it.
Okay.
But
and why don't you always?
It's always in the classroom.
Okay.
But if it's not there, it's usually breathe, calm down, let's take a breath, let's recenter, and then let's go back to what we were doing.
Okay.
But we did have kind of a non-normal day. It's picture day.
Okay.
And so we didn't go outside because some of my class had siblings.
Okay.
So we didn't, it wasn't a normal routine day.
Got it.
So I was taking them outside and we were doing music. He was getting a little antsy, ready for lunch.
Got it.
That was, and she was hitting her, but she was letting them feelings, so it wasn't bothering any of the other kids. But that was it. She walked out of the room to go to the bathroom, I think, and he started acting up.
Okay.
That was it. Okay. It was like a 2-second moment.
Okay. Yeah. Gets upset or anything like that, do you have to take the child from one place to another? Is that normal?
I don't. She was take him to another part of the room.
Okay.
Now, if there was times that I was up by myself, it was getting a little too much where I'm by myself. I can't doing stuff, acting up. I would call the office. They take him to the office.
So no, you typically just take him from one place to another.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, and they would just calm down, and everything's fine.
There, being completely all words, correct?
Yeah. Doing
okay. But just my little interaction. Yeah. I'm not going to have a full conversation with you and describe feelings.
Not always. No.
Not always, no. Right? That's why he needs the therapist there. With their therapy plan, they don't have a restraint in there, i.e., you're not to hold or anything to that degree, right? Your understanding of that?
Yes.
Okay. So you are aware and you have had conversations with the
Because
aides.
I've seen them when we got into it. They, oh, sorry.
Oh, how you doing, ma'am?
Sorry.
How you doing?
Oh, I thought you was at my door.
No,
sorry,
ma'am.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Sorry to take up your time or be in your
Sorry,
way.
yeah.
Everything's fine.
Actually, has anything at your house been missing?
Not that I've noticed. No, I think I have everything.
I came here, Mom. Thought about you missing. Something from my bathroom missing. I collect stuff from my grandma because she passed away. And a lot of other stuff is being missing. I know I just put it there because I just unpacked it.
Okay. All right. Give me 1 second, ma'am. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. So
They've had hold and not restraint, but I wasn't restraining. I just put my hands,
okay.
and I was gonna say, let's,
Place the crayons down.
place this crayons down. Where you know, he was rearing back to punch me.
Okay.
And I was like, we're not gonna, I just punch me. So I was getting ready to move, and like,
Okay.
hey man, let's go. We're gonna go over here.
Okay.
And that's when it happened. But they have not fully restrained him, but he can get bitey and they've held on to him. But I try not to. That's as much as I do. Is I'll touch your hands and let's come here. But I'm not going to restrain.
So what happened today with moving from place to another place?
I was just taking from one chair, and I was gonna come this way, and that was it. Just And
do you, looking back, feel as though maybe it was a little too much?
I should not have touched. I should have just like turned around and ignored. And it was just one of those moments.
Yeah.
That I got hit with one too many crayons.
Okay.
And I was just gonna talk. That's all I was gonna do.
Gotcha. Okay.
And I regret it. I would cry.
Yeah.
Since it happened.
Okay. Well, parents.
I am so sorry. I did not mean to do anything. I didn't want to grow so much in my class. I am so sorry. I did not mean to go from one spot to another with falling like that. And I didn't have a chance to recover from it because she walked in the room.
Okay.
Instantly picked up and out of the room. I didn't have a chance to see if it was all right or anything.
Okay, so I did watch the video. In a portion of it, you place your left hand on his head. What was that for?
Head?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, at the table or? I don't even remember.
After he's moved from the seat to maybe 2-3 feet.
I don't even remember touching him. I was trying to help him up. I have no idea. I don't even remember that part.
Your hand goes on the top of his head, and you kind of hold him there.
I don't even remember doing that. I have no idea why I touched him.
Am I forgetting anything else?
I have no idea.
Have you seen the video?
No, I didn't even see it. They just told me, and I walked, and that I was gone, and
So here's my concern from a purely outside perspective, right? Is having a fit, right? You come over, you kneel down, put your hands on his elbow. You can tell that you're talking to him, right? You can still kind of having a fit, right? Your hands move by the arms, and you come out of that chair with such force that it's almost like, have you ever watched like the Crash Dummies?
I don't even remember doing. Sorry, yeah, okay.
But you know what I'm talking about, right? Where like the whiplash, like you out of that chair with such force that his head snaps back.
Oh, I don't.
And then on the ground, he's still having a fit, and he does swing at you, and then you with your hand on top of his head like this, keep him on the ground.
I don't even remember doing any of that. I swear I don't remember. All I remember is there, and I turned because she walked in, and I don't remember touching him on the head. I have no clue. I don't even remember. I had some issues, but I've been hit, punched, things thrown at me. I don't know what happened today.
Would you agree though, right? Like, it's not an ordinary teaching assignment, right? Like ordinarily, I would never look at a teacher and say, "You getting hit is part of the job."
Right.
But I think we all agree that when you're dealing with, especially like 4-year-old children that have special needs, that there are going to be times that they act out that way.
Even though I've had him for a year, I'm still learning, growing and changing. Behavior has been changing and getting older. So we're still working.
Right.
I'm still working. And with the aides, I'm not always him, but not always. So
Okay.
it's.
Well, Miss Alice,
So I'm.
can we agree that a level of force is not the same as an adult, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you are to move from one point to another point, in the way that we've seen it, it's excessive of force.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Miss Alice, I'm gonna have you turn around for me.
Can I lock my door?
Yeah, we'll take care of all that, okay?
My keys are in my. That's for my.
Okay, here, you want to give me this?
I'm gonna have you go palm to palm. Can you go palm to palm?
Palm to palm.
So like both palms. Relax your hands, not like that. Like
Oh,
that.
palm. No, not really. But
Are you able to do that or no?
that's hard. My shoulders.
You have a bad shoulder?
Yes, please. My phone's in my back pocket.
Yeah, we'll take care of all that for you. Which is your house key, ma'am?
The one.
Is it this one or this one?
I can't see. I can see the top. The one with the holes in it.
This one?
No, that one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want me to call your mom, honey?
Yes.
I have your phone number.
I don't
Do you
know
know?
by.
That's
I don't
fine.
know by heart. It's on my phone. It's in my back pocket.
Just give us 1 second, we'll get it to you.
Thank you, I appreciate you guys. What are we looking for right now?
Her
My
phone's in her
phone's in my
back
back
pocket.
pocket.
Delta 5.
Are you okay if I go in here and
That's fine.
contacts?
Yes.
Is she under there as mom or
Yes, Mom.
A2 mom?
Yes.
Yeah. It's 772-913-3338.
I'm gonna have you take 1 second for me, Miss Alice. Where are your? And she's gonna go over to
He has it in his.
She'll be at county jail. She'll have a bond in the morning.
Yeah, you got everything you need, right?
Just I need to turn my TV off and.
Do you want me to go do that for you? You
Yeah.
can watch me through the door so you know.
Any animals or anybody?
Legal Framework Educator Use of Force. Under the common law doctrine of in loco parentis, educators assume limited supervisory authority, permitting only the degree of physical contact reasonably necessary to maintain safety. When the subject is a child with documented special needs, courts apply a heightened standard. Any force exceeding what a reasonable person deems necessary may constitute child battery or abuse under state statute. Federal Restraint Prohibition 42 U.S.C. Section 1 5043, Developmental Disabilities Assistance and Bill of Rights Act requires that any restraint of a child with a developmental disability be specifically authorized within that child's individual behavior intervention plan. Detective Ryan established on camera that this child's therapy plan contained an explicit no restraint directive. Violation of a documented behavior plan constitutes independent grounds for employment termination and criminal liability. Key inculpatory admission restraint protocol detective. With their therapy plan, they don't have a restraint in there. That is to say, you're not to restrain. That's your understanding of that, teacher. Yes. This on-camera acknowledgement establishes both knowledge and intent critical elements for prosecution under child abuse statutes. Video evidence. Force documented on camera surveillance footage showed the teacher grabbing the child's arms, pulling the child from a chair with sufficient force that the child's head snapped backward, consistent with a whiplash-type injury mechanism, then pressing her hand onto the child's head while the child was on the ground. Under established evidentiary rules, video footage constitutes direct, not circumstantial evidence of the act. The teacher's stated inability to recall these actions does not negate the recording. Legal standard excessive force. Applying the objective reasonableness test from Graham v. Connor 490 U.S. 386-1989 force must be evaluated against the severity of the threat, whether the subject posed immediate danger, and whether the subject was resisting. Applied here, the subject was a 4-year-old child. No threat to life existed. No authorized restraint protocol was in effect. Detectives' on-camera legal conclusion: it's excessive force.
Your car's locked.
She might not answer if she doesn't. Thank you.
How long have you been living here?
5 years.
5 years. Really? Okay.
So I'm being booked on child.
Yes, ma'am. Are you from New Jersey?
No, I'm from Connecticut, New Jersey, Connecticut, California, all over.
On 1103. I can. I'll be 51 from the Greater El Paso
I
area.
do not know.
And I'll have to go to court and.
In the morning, yes, ma'am. I mean, I've been trying my best to not make this a spectacle.
12.
The left one is the left cuff is kind of hurting my wrist.
Okay.
I can't bend anymore.
Your left one? This
Yeah.
one? Okay. I want to make sure I'm.
There, I think I'm gonna watch. Do I have my watch on?
You do have your watch. How was that so far?
No.
If you keep your palms, no, the other way. I mean,
Oh, this one?
yeah. It's a little bit easier on the wrist.
Someone did call me while I was talking to you guys, and I'm supposed to be at a meeting right now.
For school? For work?
Well, it was a work. It was for my old college.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So,
Like a meeting? Or
well, I'll get together. There's graduates tonight, and I was there to do graduates. With the graduates.
where'd you graduate from?
Indiana College.
Oh, okay. How long did you graduate?
Just a couple years ago, I got my CDA for teaching.
Oh, for child education?
Mm-hmm. I moved from California, and I was with that place for 13 years.
A place in California?
13 years, and the place I just left because they closed down. I was there for 8. I would still be there if they couldn't. They could have paid their bills.
Mm.
And that was May 5th would have been May 6th would have been my year anniversary with Kid City.
Yeah.
And I did not need to do anything that I did to him. Nothing. I am so no. That's not who I am. I don't know what happened. I am on my monthly and I just changed, but I might need to change.
They'll handle all of that where they're going.
That's what I do.
They're prepared for situations as such.
Okay. And I watched the TV show Jail.
Is that the one where they like go undercover?
No, it's the one
No.
that they go to different jails like Las Vegas, Texas, and they show bookings and all the prostitutes, and they go at night and or off their day and just show how the system works.
Gotcha. What'd you say? About 5'1"? About my height?
5'2",
5'2"? Okay. Okay.
give or take.
Give or take. You had a good day?
Yeah.
Do you have any children? No children. Okay.
The school kids are my kids.
I hear you.
I just left. I just got this on Friday and I need to clean it. I was going to clean it, but
What is it?
My dad passed 3 years ago, and I got it from my dad, from my mom, and from me.
Got it. Are you an only child?
Mm-hmm. With them.
Where is your mom?
Down the street on Countryside.
Oh. Do you need to take any medications? No.
I might be getting a migraine soon, but
You can get Tylenol there.
and I haven't eaten since 6 o'clock this morning, so I do.
Okay.
And since I've been upset, I have not eaten, but it might catch up to me.
Okay.
So will I be in there tonight or?
Tonight, yes, ma'am. Into the morning where they will issue you a bond. So it's only one night, until you're able to post a bond.
2101.
Will I be able to call?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, when you get there.
Citation.
You'll be able to use a booking cell phone.
Alright, I just need a
Phone number?
her phone number.
We could do that.
There's too many 8s and too many 9s for me to remember.
That's no problem. Listen, ever since we went to an electronic device, nobody remembers phone numbers. I know like one good phone number.
I know mine, that's it. Okay. Apartment's right down the street.
I know. And just unfortunately, my car doesn't have the means of transporting people. Somebody else has to do that, even though I know it's just a short distance.
That's why I like this place because I'm so close. I hear the helicopter.
Yeah, I'm sure you do. That thing is flying all the time.
So, do y'all have any adult female 1015 as well?
And to bail out, I'm gonna pay what, 10%?
I would have to verify that with I don't typically deal with them, so I don't know exactly the correct percentages. I do know it's a percentage, but I don't know exactly what the percentage is.
Thinking I don't. Yeah. Is there any way you can text the person I was gonna meet tonight on my phone? I don't mind, and just say something came up. I won't be there, so they're not blowing up my phone. I know they're gonna turn my phone off. Go back to go all the way. Oh, contacts this one. Go back to contacts.
Oh, right here.
Yeah. Go all the way. Go scroll up to Michelle. Keep going. Right. Oh, you passed it. Michelle.
Oh, C1, Michelle.
Yeah. I have them all in alphabetical order, people. Just text her, please.
Blue?
Yeah. And just say, something's come up, I will not see you, I will not be there tonight.
Oh, this doesn't do that?
No.
Okay.
No, I have an old phone. It's 20 years old.
Okay.
Something's come up, will not be there tonight.
Nope, doesn't do autocorrect.
Nope. It's an SE10. That with 25s now.
Is that fine?
Yeah,
So,
something
for
came
adult
up,
male
won't be there
12 female
tonight.
1015 51 with CJ, starting 11886.
Okay. Oh, get out of here.
It's the middle button.
Oh, the middle button. Okay. Is there a lock button? Is this the lock? Okay.
It's locked, but it's not off. You have to turn it, or you want to turn it off? Okay.
Oh, we'll turn it off in a second.
Okay.
Back door. Go ahead, take a seat.
Oh, this is easy.
So, yep, you just step in.
Step in? I'm not that tall.
Go ahead, step up.
There we go. Ouch.
There you go.
Just hit that new tattoo.
And if you lean forward, you won't lean on the cuffs and it'll feel better.
Okay.
Arrest and charge. Charge on booking SC Section 10 to 25, child abuse, child battery classification. Custody, overnight detention pending bond hearing the following morning. Evidentiary note. All voluntary statements made prior to Miranda advisement are fully admissible at trial. Every on-camera admission of regret and prior knowledge of the restraint protocol constitutes usable evidence. Legal lessons and takeaways.